My name is John McKently, and I'm the director of the CMC Rescue School. Today we're going to talk about the CMC Rescue litter insert. This is a device that fits most basket litters, different brands and shapes. It's easily removed and installed again for cleaning. It increases the patient comfort because they're no longer laying on a hard wooden or plastic rack. Helps maintain patient support. It's available in a mesh fabric or a solid Cordura nylon, and it is cut to fit either a tapered or a rectangular litter. To install the insert, I'm going to fold it out, and it's going to attach to the second rail or the middle rail of the litter that you see here, and it's easily done when you turn the litter over. What we're going to do is center it in the pipe frame, and we'll start by connecting the end straps. Once the ends are connected, then we're going to do the sides. There's 10 of those. Again, wrapping around the lower rail of the litter. Once the side straps are fastened, the insert is centered in the litter. We can turn it over and it's ready to go.